How to unhide hidden or locked chats on WhatsApp. In this tutorial, I will guide you through the steps on how to unhide hidden or locked chats on WhatsApp. The first step is to open the WhatsApp application on your phone. Once you are on the main chats page, pull down slightly on the chat area, and you will notice a new option appearing named Locked Chats. This is where your hidden or locked chats are stored. Tap on it, and WhatsApp will immediately ask you to verify your identity, either by entering your phone PIN or using Face ID, depending on how your device is secured. After verification, you will be able to see all the hidden chats listed here. To unhide a specific chat, swipe or pull the chat slightly to the left side. When you do this, you will see an option named More appearing. Tap on it, and a menu will appear with several options related to that chat. From the options, make sure you tap on Unlock Chat. WhatsApp will again ask you to verify your identity, either by entering your PIN or Face ID to confirm the action. Once you complete this verification step, the chat will be removed from the hidden area and restored to the main chat list, making it visible again like all your other chats. This method is very straightforward, and you can repeat it for any other hidden chats that you want to restore. Keep in mind that locking and unlocking chats is a privacy feature designed to protect your conversations, so always make sure you remember your PIN or have Face ID set up properly. The process is simple and quick to follow. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to your issue. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks! That is how to unhide hidden or locked chats on WhatsApp.